Hi, this is Abhimanyu. I am here to give a small presentation video about business ethics considering cloud computing. First, I would like to give a short info about cloud computing. In my point of view, cloud computing involves deploying groups of remote services and software networks that allow centralized data storage and online access to computer services or resources. Clouds can be classified as public or private, and cloud computing has potential to create new sustainability and ethical dilemmas. Cloud services make a positive contribution to sustainability. The cloud encourages important clean tech applications like smart grids, and it also encourages consumers to use virtual services such as video streaming to replace resource heavy physical products. Now I would like to focus on one of the sustainability question: gatekeeper protection from law enforcement. Now, what is gatekeeper? A gatekeeper is a service provider that could track the information from the cloud. Depending on the size of the network, the gatekeeper may be able to protect the terminals from the attack or traffic flood. How important is this issue to the society and why? Law might need any data to ensure the security and might need some information to avoid legal issues. For cloud service providers, it is important to know that how to manage enforcement relationships. This may mean insisting on the due process, challenging law enforcement demands that may threaten human rights, and promoting good governance and the rule of law. The law must take care of all these issues because the information in the cloud is highly confidential and the privacy of the society needs to be protected. As this phenomenon is facilitating the users with data storage and resources that they do not process their personal computers, understanding the credibility and flexibility of the technology, there would be dramatic arise. This, on the other hand, causes a lot of environmental imbalances, and certain measures are to be taken so as to bring down the carbon footprint value. The careless increases in the usage leads to ecological imbalances and could resist in the result of the disturbances in the climate on the planet. The extreme increase in the usage of the products that consume the natural resources directly or indirectly results in the emission of the enormous amounts of greenhouse gases that implies contributing the carbon footprints at some degree. Ignoring these backstage losses could result in more rapid utilization, and on the other hand that will leave us in a more undesired environment, causing unfavorable climatic conditions and global warming like issues. Finally, on a single note, it is every individual's responsibility to introspect before adapting or employing any technology that is in some way contributes the carbon footprint. The business institutions should constantly keep updating their equipment towards being more and more eco-friendly, and also im- implement technical solutions like clearing duplicate centers, etc. And on the other hand, should make sure that the backfire of the global housing gases by plantation schemes and using eco-friendly infrastructures to the farthest possible. The government's role is to ensure that the organizations maintain the regulatory standards and should offer certain incentives for those who shift towards the environment friendly equipment. Research and development towards minimizing the pollutants are to be prioritized besides raising awareness in the public. Thank you.